In this part, I want to share a mistake that turned into a major learning. I was trying to reproduce the 996 confirmation records we saw earlier. But suddenly, the report showed far fewer rows. I assumed the SAP data had changed. It had not. The real issue was simple. I was running COOISPI instead of COOI. The screens look almost identical. Same layout. Same selection fields. Same structure. But underneath, they are completely different. COOI is designed for production orders. COOISPI is designed for process orders. Different data models. Different order types. Different configuration logic. And that small difference completely changes the output. Lesson 1, Visual similarity is dangerous. This experience highlights something critical. In SAP, visual similarity does not guarantee logical similarity. Two transactions may look the same, but operate on different business objects. And if automation assumes the wrong transaction, the results may silently become incorrect. This is where intelligent validation becomes essential. Lesson 2, SAP is not broken. Now transition into the philosophy section. But this discovery led to a deeper realization. SAP was not broken. It was behaving exactly as designed. SAP is a transactional system. It must report every rule deviation. It cannot assume business context. It cannot guess urgency. It cannot prioritize cost impact. It shows signals. It does not interpret them. And that is not a weakness. That is by design. Lesson 3, Exception vs Problem. An exception is not automatically a problem. An exception is a mismatch between data and rule. A problem is something that affects production, delivery, or cost. Those are very different things. But when planners open COOI, everything is displayed with equal visual weight. Same columns. Same urgency. Same emphasis. When everything appears urgent, planners become desensitized. This is a strong moment. Let it breathe. Lesson 4, Why automation must evolve. And this is exactly where automation must evolve. We do not need less data. We need better logic. SAP gives us completeness. But intelligence must come from us. Automation should not simply extract data. It should interpret context. It should validate transaction environment. It should distinguish signal from impact. That is the difference between scripting and architecture. Transition to Part 6b. In the next section, we will move from philosophy to design. We will build logic that validates the correct transaction, identifies business impact, and ranks SAP signals into meaningful decisions. Because SAP does not need to change. Our thinking does.